The future is here.
Today, the impossible becomes possible. The man that controls that card controls the future.
You want to be remembered, it's simple. Prefer to have what I call a legacy. You leave the world a better place than you found it.
You are building miracles out of thin air.
I'm working on something so new that the world would never be the same.
Sometimes we have to work outside of the rules to get what's right.
Did I mention?
You can't see the real force that moves things. My motor. That is our future.
Everything's similar to what I do, so we communicated a bit, and he's done this a few times. We want to do the same thing. We want to go back to the basics, no loop back, but run the scope and record pulse DC in, get a good capture, and then immediately switch over and do pulse DC out, get a good capture. That's all he needs.
Okay.
And he can look at that and tell
You can do that without
what our efficiency is.
isolation for the
80%.
Okay.
So about 10%.
Period
what we wanted it to do.
No way.
Yes
it's
way,
doing it.
dude. 9 now.
It was speeding up.
Just went to 0. 1 amp.
That's the charge rate.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that number's higher.
It's speeding up more and more.
Now it says more
So the
again.
voltage hardened.
This is our rate of charge off of the high side, high voltage. This is the rate that the charge controller is converting for us to push into the battery. And the number goes up. As the number goes up in voltage, it means we're charging the battery. So it's putting energy into the battery and charging it. And this will go to 0, the controller will stop. It's maintaining voltage.
So we're saying it's doing what we wanted it to do.
Yes, right now it's dropping out because it saw the voltage get high enough. It's regulating the battery. It's regulating the battery on charge. It's keeping the battery full. Now it's charging again. It's charging again. It's working. The numbers are not going down.
And that's what we wanted to see.
They're stable.
So test, first run test, 100% successful.
Ready?
So we've been running now for 3 hours almost, and the condition that we're showing is that our batteries that are in the system are fully charged. Indicator has come on at fully charged, and over that time of running, the voltage of the battery has not decayed. It stays at 26 or higher and pumps in from the output of the machine, which we're putting it. Look, it's a solar panel in this unit, but the output of our machine is going back into our battery, and our voltage remains stable, meaning that it's running itself. Meaning that it's running itself.
It's dropping, yeah. So here we go. So it's coming up to speed. See, we're at 20, 5? And it's gonna go down.
We were like 50.
No, but it should come down to like 20. Last time it came down to 23, right?
Yeah.
So we want it above 23.
Yeah.
26.